to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Sidus Space Inc. And today the stock has dropped 14.43% and is trading at $4.65 a share. Now, the stock previously closed at $5.44 and today it opened at $5.12. If you look at the days range, you will see that the stock has gone anywhere from $4.05 and all the way up to $5.27. So nowhere close to where it ended yesterday. The 52-week range for this stock is from $1.26 all the way up to $29.70. Today's volume is very much on par with the average. So today we have 5.2 million shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 5.48 million shares. The market capitalization for Sidus Space now sits at $73.9 million. And with barely 30 minutes to the close of market, you can see that the stock is still down 14.52% and trading at $4.65. If you look at the 5-day graph, you will see that the stock has actually gained quite a lot, even though some of the gains that it got on the 16th of June, it has given back some of those gains. Now, it was announced that Sidus Space will participate in a $3.5 billion exploration extravehicular activity services contract, and this was from NASA, and it's a multi-year contract. And so that was a very good deal for Sidus Space, and that was the catalyst that sent this stock to the moon. Since then, it has given back some of the gains, but nonetheless, it still remains a very good long-term play, a company that's worth holding for the long term as they get into this NASA contract and other space-related efforts. So if you look at the stock market at the very top of your screens, you will see that today's returns are quite mitigated. At one point, they look very promising, but as we approach the closing bell, things have cooled down somewhat. S&P 500 is now barely breaking even at plus 0.02%. The Dow 30 is right at parity at 0.00%, but earlier it was actually a bit higher. Nasdaq is actually now below where it's actually in the negative at 0.17%, and the Russell 2000 is barely above water. It's barely above water at 0.13%. Crude oil is definitely down at $106.28 a barrel, representing a drop of 2.96%. So that's where we sit at with the current snapshot of the economy as we go towards the closing bell for today, Wednesday, the 22nd of June, 2022. I will jump off here so you guys can rush and put in your last minute trades before the closing bell. I will catch you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. We are slowly building subscribers, and we hope to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark by the midterm elections, which take place in November. I want to thank you all for those who have subscribed and even those just visiting, curious. Because we are very grateful for each and every one of you who stops by the channel. That helps us put the word out there, and that helps us grow. Bye now.